What's up, you guys? So I just got out the shower. Duh. And I already did my skincare because my skin was feeling so fucking dry I couldn't even like talk. Yeah, but first things first, I'm gonna put my hair back real quick just so that it doesn't get all up in the way. First things first, which pause. Nobody say anything about my fucking eyebrows right now. In the process of getting them removed, doing like laser hair removal, not laser hair removal. Laser tattoo removal, that's the one. Yeah, it hurts like a like you don't understand. You don't understand. And I literally have a high pain tolerance, but that shit is not a joke, like period. So anyways, that explains why I have like two different eyebrows right now. So we're gonna get that concealed and covered up like immediately. I'm gonna be using the Poses concealer, absolute favorite. I put a lot of concealer on just because I have to cover up these old tattoos. Oh my god. My cat is like so old. I think she's like maybe 17 years old and she's like going a little bit senile. Oh, I forgot eyebrows. Forget that I just put concealer on. I'm actually gonna go in with this Anastasia dip brow. I just got like this new color. It's in the color taupe, which I think is mainly supposed to be for like blondes. But since I have like black eyebrow hair, I just kind of wanted to find a product that can like lighten them. And this literally, it lightens them. So I'm just gonna like run that through my whole brow basically and kind of create like a tail. I'm gonna zoom you guys up a little bit. Not too much though. Oh my god. And then I'm just gonna take this Morphe M4 to stop. Basically, I don't know, I feel like I'm kind of just like building a whole brow because I don't really have like that much brows anymore because I've been razoring them because I've been obsessed with this like thin eyebrow. I just feel like ever since I did the thin brows, like I can never go back. Okay, I think we're gonna stick with that. We're gonna do the other side real quick, otherwise this video is gonna be like 1,000 years long. Hold on, BRB. Now I'm just gonna set my eyelids with powder. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier setting powder. I think this one's the one with no talc, which is clean beauty. So it's like supposed to be, you know, way healthier for you. I'm just gonna take this. Okay, maybe not this one. Whoa. That was disgusting. I don't know what that was. Anyways, I'm gonna take a clean powder puff and I'm just gonna lightly dip her in. Before I actually like put powder on though, I'm gonna make sure that I have no creases, which if you see that, you know I definitely have creases. Let me zoom you guys in again. I don't know what happened. Yeah, you can see the creases. And then set it like immediately. And just ignore the eyelash glue that's in my lashes. It's kind of also disgusting. You know, to be honest, I'm just like disgusting today. I know I just showered, but like this eyelash glue is so hard to take off sometimes. And don't come at me saying I don't use oil because I literally do. It's just like I can do other people's lashes, like I used to do lashes for a living, but something about touching like my own eye, I just like can't do it. For the look today, I think I'm gonna be using the Nova Beauty Smoky palette. It's like all the best colors like ever. I use it a lot. It's definitely like one of my go-tos. And then I'm gonna take the shade color and just put that all over my lids and like in my crease. I don't know what my problem is. I've been literally waking up at like 8 in the morning, but I haven't had the motivation to do my makeup until around like 3 p.m. Like right now it's literally 3:41. Tomorrow I swear I'm gonna actually get up. Well, I get up, but I'm gonna get up and actually do my makeup like quick tomorrow. But yeah, so now you can kind of like see the difference. It just kind of like adds a natural shadow and gives your eye like more definition. I don't always do this, but for today's look, I'm gonna do it. It should start to look something like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this like angled brush, that, and then go in with, I guess I'll go in with Mood and create like a little wing. And I kind of just follow like the natural curl of my lashes to kind of like guide my, like what angle my wing is gonna go at. And then I'm gonna just bring it in to about 1/3 in. So it should start to look a little something like that. Then you gotta make sure that they're like even. I feel like this one's longer. I think it's good enough. Okay, actually, on second thought, I'm gonna go in with this color right here called Sugar, and I'm gonna go like on the inner crease and kind of lighten and highlight that area. Yeah, not very precise either, but it just kind of adds like a little bit of shimmer. I don't even know if you can see it, but I can see it and I like it, so I'm aware. Now, finally, I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner. This one's the Kiko Definition eyeliner. Honestly, I really wanted to like this one, but I actually kind of don't. I'm gonna still use it today, but it honestly, it kind of like flakes and peels off, which I've never had an eyeliner do that before. It made me a little sad. I like to go in with the powder first before I actually do like the eyeliner because it just, I have more confidence knowing it's like in the right place. I'm just gonna clean up the outer edge. I think I want it a little like more crisp. Okay, so this is what the second one's looking like. It's obviously not the same, so we're gonna clean her up also. For the inner corner, I'm also gonna use that same brush that I was using the powder with, the angled one. So I'm just gonna like squeeze the brush. I want all the like little bristles to be like very close together so I can get like a very precise, I guess, inner wing. And I'm just gonna put the eyeliner on the brush. I'm gonna go in with this Talk to You Later by Nova Beauty. It's like a sparkly black. I'm gonna take this Nova Beauty brush and I'm gonna use this color right here on the middle. It's called Fantasy. It's super sparkly and I'm gonna put it on the middle part of my lash line where I don't have like the black liner. Now I'm gonna take the Essence False Lashes Mascara Extreme Volume and Curl. I don't really know if this is actually a good mascara, but I just tried it out for the first time. But I always buy my mascaras at the drugstore because I feel like they're the same as when you spend like $40 on a mascara. And this is just to make sure that my lashes, like my natural lashes, are the same color as my falsies. Just like one small little tiny light coat. And I don't like to curl my lashes before I put strips on because I feel like it kind of like messes with how I'm able to put those strips on. And of course I'm getting mascara literally like everywhere. Also, I'm gonna be taking my trusty handy dandy duo glue and some tweezers. I think I just used these yesterday. They're the Faux Mink collection from Kiss. And it's the little black dress lashes. They're super cute. They're literally my go-tos every single time. And this is like the duo quick set, but I don't really know. I still kind of just wave it around for a little bit. And then I put it on, and I put it on the outer corner. But yeah, I feel like that makes like a big difference on what your eyes look like. I feel like now it's definitely giving like cat eye. And then this eyelash I kind of cut a little shorter on accident. Silly me, but I'm gonna still use it. That's kind of like almost it for the eyes. I think I'm gonna just go in maybe a little bit on the bottom with Nova Beauty's Talk to You Later gel eyeliner. It has a little bit of sparkles in it, which you know I'm always here for, but I'm gonna just run this on the outer corner a little bit, just like that. Just for a little added spice.
Add a little bit of fine.
That's it. I'm not gonna do the bottom mascara yet because I'm gonna still put the rest of my face on. Okay, so I'm finishing up on my makeup. I'm just adding some highlighter and some setting spray, and I'm gonna just add the mascara that I didn't put on yet. This highlighter is like my favorite one of all fucking time. It's the Benefit Cookie. Literally couldn't live without this. And then yeah, like I said, the last step, I like to put this on before I finish my mascara, is the Morphe setting spray. And I like to put a lot on. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with the False Lashes mascara. My camera is literally about to die. My hair's still gonna be crazy as fuck from the shower, but yeah, this is the makeup look. Okay, my camera's for real about to die. But I just did my hair. I wanted to give you like the full look. This is what it turned out to look like. Here's with the flash. This is the final look today. I'm gonna definitely take some pictures and like maybe make some TikToks and like we'll see what else. But yeah, this is basically it.